Hello there. Well, I don't want for this video to be a rant necessarily. I just want to demonstrate what the difference is between doing something for your own home or letting a builder do something. And by no means this is not a discussion about all builders in general. It's just a small note about what paying attention to detail means. So this is an IKEA kitchen that is being installed at the moment. That's why everything looks dirty and tatty at the moment. And the builder assured me that they were going to do a good job installing handles, and I just asked him to do one before he left last night so that I could see what kind of work ethos he was planning to employ. So there's the one that he did, and of course no one could be bothered to actually remove the drawer, so just using a big and bulky drill driver. Of course, in order to install the drawer, she had to go in an angle in order to get out of the drawer, because these drawers are shallow. And the same thing here. This is, this is not a life and death issue, really, is it? But at the same time, I'm going to live for 10 plus years in this place. I have been here for 10 years. I have been saving up to have a new kitchen. And this kind of thing really infuriates me. I don't know whether that's OCD, whether it's me being strange. I just want things to be done properly. That's why these aluminium extrusions are countersunk, so that the screw fits perfectly and is not protruding. Does the builder care? Well, there you go. This is how things look when I install them. Okay, and there's the difference. And I'm just gonna run you through the way that I would do something like that in order to ensure that everything's flush and perfect. Alright, so we open the drawer, and the first thing that we do, which obviously my builder didn't do, because, why bother? No one's going to see it. He thought, we have to remove the protective film for the glossy drawer. That's important because the handle is not actually perfectly flush with the drawer, and you can see the protective film every time you open it if you don't remove it. That's not a huge deal, it just shows that you care. Anyway, I'll just do it without complaining. So the first thing that we do is to remove this film. Then we align the handle. It's very easy to align because it's almost flush. So there's very little margin for error. And then, just for good measure, we clamp it a little bit, just so that we're sure that everything's okay. Yes, we're being pedantic here. We are using a Wix bit in order to do things perfectly centered and do it properly. I can bring the camera on the other side so that you can see. Unfortunately, I'm left-handed, so that I need to change. Okay, back again. Let's do it properly. So we're holding Then we swap, make sure that we don't have a huge torque setting in order to avoid stripping the whole thing and screwing like hooligans, and very easily alright. So even if the screw jumps, you're not causing any damage and you're doing it carefully. Perfect. That's all there is to it. Then you take those, rinse and repeat.